Will we make it without stopping? Come on! Uh-oh. It's about halfway. Don't get tired. Come on. What are you looking back for? Wow, you almost here. What you stop for? Huh? You sucking air. Breathe, breathe.
Dad, can you touch the vehicle?
No.
Touch it.
I think you can. Do you think you can?
You can touch it.
Where's Nana? There she is. See, it's a little taller than you think. Look. On the scoreboard. Kentwood lighting it up. This fall, this place will be jumping. That's for when they're doing the pole vault and stuff. I don't think you want to get in there right now. Look at that. That's a nice, it's a nice pool of water there. No, it's heavy.